excited to introduce to you the amazing, revolutionary new Motiv1 HealthFriend Smart Juicer System from Kuvings. I'm calling it a system rather than just a juicer because these clever new technologies have never before been combined in such a brilliant way to contribute to your overall health. Kuvings HealthFriend Smart Juicer Motiv I'll get into in just a little bit, but first, as an overview, the system basically comprises this amazing new juicer and this wonderful new mobile app that is really your partner for health in so many ways. But what is really revolutionary is the way these two combine to work together to bring you the healthiest, tastiest life you could imagine. The juicer comes with a juicing cup, a pulp cup, a cleaning brush, a round brush, a blank strainer and a smoothie strainer. The app, available in both Android and Apple Store versions, works three ways. Firstly, the mobile app gives you internet connectivity for recording the health details for your whole family. It allows you to manage goals efficiently by monitoring and recording your achievements, and it's a health coach with the ability to teach various beneficial activities like stretching, aerobics, yoga, Pilates, and more. So, how do you get started getting the benefits? Well, the first thing this amazing pair of devices does is to measure and record your body composition. We all know intuitively that we are all individual with different bodies, different makeups, and different needs. The Kuvings Smart Juicer Motiv1 provides a body composition analyzer within the juicer itself to determine and analyze your body composition. That is the type and shape of your body by measuring the water, minerals, and fat inside your body. In fact, the body composition analyzer can measure 7 different types of elements of your body to give you a personalized individual reading as the basis of your diet and exercise. This allows you to start living a healthier lifestyle by regularly checking the progress of your body and carrying out proper exercise combined with a balanced diet. This is where the mobile app can be so beneficial. Target management allows you to monitor your own achievement using a graph to check body fat percentage, muscle mass, and more. The important factor in your diet is reducing fat rather than weight. It allows you to go on a diet with our own 4-week healthy juice diet program according to your individual goal settings. The health coach allows you to instantly correct incorrect postures when exercising and allows you to select the appropriate level based on your health condition. The Motiv1 will provide you with just the right training videos according to the muscle group to be exercised. And the Motiv1 will actually suggest the perfect juice blends for you, customized to the analysis of your individual body type. It's like a personal health coach and nutritionist in your mobile. The app will suggest various juice recipes by theme, such as diet, detox, beauty, or antioxidant, using the search function to find your personalized preferences. The juice itself will always be the result of Kuvings' incredible juicer technology. The Alton screw at the heart of the juicer is amazingly strong, slowly grinding and pressing down on fruits and vegetables to make a natural extract that minimizes the destruction of nutrients that so often occurs with high-speed blades. When you take in the whole vegetable or fruit, the fibrous structure of the plant means the vitamins and minerals are behind solid cell walls, which slows down nutrient absorption. Kuvings' method of slow pressure extraction allows for the nutrients in the juice to be absorbed into your body at 4 times the rate. The Motiv1 juicer also displays all the amazing progress that Kuvings has developed in creating these beautiful high-tech juicing machines. Power juice cap prevents drips, easily makes mixed juices, and washes clean simply. In fact, cleaning could not be simpler using the rotating brush unique to Kuvings for cleaning pulp from the juicing filter. Simply use it on the outside of the juicing filter as you rotate it under running water. The brush is a free inclusion added for your convenience. And how's this for convenience? The feeding chute has a large 82mm opening with a simple flip gate, allowing you to put in bigger ingredients than ever before. The flip gate makes it simple to insert large round fruit or vegetables, as well as long ingredients such as carrot and cucumber. The other great feature is the juicing module compress system, a low-speed cold press juicing method that minimises nutrient damage and preserves the original flavour of the ingredients. The Motiv1 system also boasts an easy-to-use and comfortable to hold ergonomic design that ensures accurate measurement. The measuring instrumentation is cleverly located in the back of the juicer with a one-touch pop-up system that does just that. Press the button and out it pops. Simply push the measuring controls back into the juicer for safe and easy storage when the juicer isn't being used. The amazing revolutionary new Motiv1 HealthFriend Smart Juicer System from Kuvings. Thanks for watching, and remember, it always tastes better with Kuvings.
Kuvings.